visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me Babylon. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Hi everyone! Welcome po sa inyong almost personal readings. Let's check kung ano nangyayari sa buhay-buhay. I want you to know that this is a general reading. So, you may resonate po sa buong reading na ito or baka konti lang. Take what's only yours, no? At gusto ko pong ipaalala sa inyo na itong reading na ito is a timeless reading. So, kung kailan nyo po ito mapanood, no? The message is meant to find you with the Ace of Wands. Ayan na tayo. So, naipapakita naman, no, yung passion. Pero it felt like meron pa tayong gustong makuha, meron pa tayong gustong ma-experience. It felt like a little kulang, pero we're very hopeful. Kasi sabihin nating nagsisimula yung bagong chapter. It may be matagal na kayo magkakilala pero ngayon pa lang lumalalim, no, itong relationship ninyo with the Three of Cups. Three of Cups for me the Three of Cups may signify kasi victory, which is also the definition of it. Pero kasi for me, the Three of Cups is a double-edged card, no? It may also includes a third-party situation na parang merong options, no? So, is it? Baka naman kasi kaya nagkakaroon tayo ng nagiging passionate, no? Itong relationship ngayon, it's because wala na yung third party. I don't know yet. So, let's check, no? Kasi, yeah, with the Five of Wands, you might be in a competition. So, ang sinasabi na pwede rin palagi kayong away ng away. It is because of the third-party situation or merong nilalandi. Whether may naglalandi sa'yo or may nilalandi yung person mo. With the Five of Wands and the Six of Wands and the Wheel of Fortune. So, ganun-ganun na lang. Wala naman akong problema kung ganun nga yung nangyari na bigla na lang nawala si third party or iniwan si third party. Ayoko na rin malaman. One thing's for sure, out, no? Wala na sa picture itong si third party. Biglaan. So, kaya bumabalik itong passion at kaya nagkakaroon na ng new chapter. So, parang pakiwari ko, ito na yung pagbubukas, no? Ng, sabihin natin committed, no? Or parang magta-top the notch, no? Itong tying the knots, hindi pa naman. Siguro mapupunta lang ito to another level of commitment. So, feeling ko iniwan tayo. Or tayo yung nang iwan. There's separation in here, whether physical or energetic because of the third party. So, parang sinabi natin, this is not for me. This is not the relationship that I signed up for. Naku, paubos ba ang boses ko? Narinig niyo yun? O baka nagbibinakla na ako, no? Pumiyok ako dun, ha? With the Two of Swords, the Princess of Wands, and the Princess of Swords. So, parang kasi papunta na kayo dun sa relationship, eh. And then, na-feel mo na, ay, sandali. So, may third party pala. Ayokong pumasok sa ganyan or ayoko mapunta sa ganyang relationship. So, parang feeling ko ikaw mismo, no? Or someone here let go of the relationship kahit sabihin natin nagsisimula. So, parang ang nangyari, nagkaroon din sila ng separation. So, are you the backup? Papayag ka bang backup? Or ikaw yung nauna, nag-let go ka lang. And then itong si person nung nawala na itong third party situation, bumalik sa'yo. No? With the Ace of Coins. So, eto na talaga. Actually, at one point in time, sinabi mo 'to sa isip mo, na willing naman ako, buksan uli ang aking pinto, willing naman ako na magkaroon kami uli ng relationship, willing naman ako patuloyin siya 'no, sa puso ko. Pero ayoko lang ng may kahati. And that actually is very wise 'no. Makikita natin dito yung self-respect, makikita natin dito yung, um, yung pagmamahal mo sa sarili mo, pagmamahal mo din 'no, sa kapwa-tao mo na naiintindihan ko yung mararamdaman nitong person na ito kapag na-feel niya or nalaman din niya na, nasa third party situation. I am becoming a bigger person here, 'no? So, ayokong makasakit, mas okay na siguro 'no, I sacrificed my own happiness kasi alam ko in the future kapag pinagpatuloy ko 'to, sakit lang din 'to sa ulo ko, 'no? So, you parang ikaw yung nagparaya and ang ginawa mo dito is sobrang open ng mind mo. Actually, yung morality, yung moral mo, um, parang talagang ikaw yung tao may paninindigan, ano? With the Knight of Cups. So, ngayon, ang ginagawa natin, hindi naman natin siya, basta sinabi sa'yo na wala na yung third party. No. Either iti-test mo itong person na ito or medyo pababagalin mo, no? Itong pag-welcome sa kanya. Siyempre, kikilatisin mo munang mabuti na ito ba talaga ay seryoso ka na ba, no? Seryoso ka na ba sa akin? Now this time, seryoso ka na ba sa relasyon? Seryoso ka na ba na ipagpatuloy ito, no? With the Fool card. So, medyo risky ang ginagawa mo kasi nga inopen mo uli yung sarili mo, no? Or i-open mo uli yung sarili mo. But the thing here is, I think that you have some guidelines or you have a guide. It could be your own moral, no? Ito yung guide mo na papatuloyin kita basta walang third party. You have to make sure na wala talagang third party or wala na yung third party, then we can, no? Baka medyo risky pa nga yung gagawin mo, nakakausapin mo yung dating karelasyon at tatanong mo sa kanya, wala na ba kayo talaga kasi kinukulit ako na itong taong to, mahal mo pa ba itong third party, no? Ayaw mong pumasok. So, maganda yung part na gano'n. Sinasabi na, ano naman ngayon kung sigurista ako, no? I am protecting my own peace. I am protecting myself from the future gulo, no? So, maganda naman. With the Four of Cups, eto na. So, parang pakiwari ko, someone is not letting go of the third party. It could be that your person or the third party, parang medyo compete pa, no? So parang meron kang pushback dito na malalaman with the Two of Cups and the Princess of Coins. Are we going back to the stage 1? So babalik na naman tayo dito, kahit mahal kita, doon ka. Actually, naalala ko, meron akong somewhat ganyan na experience, no? Willing akong tanggapin ka. Pero as long as nandiyan yung third party, kada bumabalik, no, may taboy. Hanggang yung taboy ng taboy ko, ito yung sarili ko ha. Kada taboy ako ng taboy, doon ko nare-realize na, I'm not, hindi ako para sa ganitong relationship, no? At hindi ako para dito para mag-antay ng matagal. So eventually, sa akin eventually, ito yung sarili kong experience. Nasabi ko sa sarili ko na, you're gonna be a special person for me. And probably I can love you from afar. But you're not gonna be close to me or closer to me for you to hurt me that much, no? Nag-heal naman ako after that, no? So, masaya naman ako ngayon. So, I don't know with them. I don't have contact with them anymore. With the Nine of Swords, kasi medyo stressed or either stressed ka na, ayaw mo may stress. Ang gusto mo kasi payapang buhay. Who doesn't want to have a peaceful life? Even I myself, no? So, you are Seven of Coins and a King of Wands. I think that this person is going to make you feel secure, no? Na that this person is going to ikaw yung ipo-pursue. Pero kailangan tapusin niya muna no? Itong third party situation niya. And I feel like kakausapin niya naman itong third party, like yung brutally honest, no? Maganda kasi open kayo, no, sa isa't isa with the Two of Wands. And I feel like this is going to happen very soon. So, it felt like, at least for you, maganda yung kinalabasan. Sa akin, maganda rin naman yung kinalabasan, my own experience, no? Wala na. So, feeling ko, maganda naman kasi nandito ako ngayon, masaya naman ako sa buhay ko. So, maganda naman kinalabasan nun sa akin. Yun nga lang, hindi kami nagkatuluyan. Yun kayo, magkakatuluyan with the Two of Wands. I think that before Christmas, I think that you are already in a committed relationship with someone you love. Yeah, so this is your reading. Masaya naman. Masaya ako sa reading, no? Hindi lang halata. May naaalala ko, yun tuloy na re-remember ko, yung inis, no? So, let's check the zodiac sign of your, enough about me. Marami na kayong alam, papatumba ko kayo. Let's check the zodiac sign of your person. This can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. Leo, Taurus, Cancer, Aries, Pisces. I'm seeing Scorpio, Sagittarius, Aries, yeah, nasabi ko na yung Aries, Virgo. I am seeing Aquarius. I'm seeing Gemini. Yep, I am seeing, did I just mention Leo? Yes. So, yan po ang inyong reading. Kapag kung naka-resonate kayo dito and if you have some questions, sa description box ng video na ito, there is a link. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung name, number, QR code, amount per questions. Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1. And if you want to book a personal reading, nandun din po siya sa baba. Yeah, this is your reading. Maraming salamat. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.
You want